It all started with a single tree, an ancient oak standing tall on the border of two neighboring countries. For centuries, it had been a symbol of unity, a testament to shared history. But then, a peculiar thing occurred. This oak seemingly overnight began to grow at an astounding rate. Branches stretched skyward, leaves thickened, and soon, it towered like a green skyscraper. Scientists marveled, calling it a miracle of biology. But the tree's rapid ascent ignited an unexpected tension. As the oak's colossal roots pushed deeper into the earth, they began to shift the very ground it stood upon. Suddenly, the border wasn't where it used to be, and both nations claimed the tree as their own. Diplomatic talks turned sour. Each country accused the other of attempting to redraw boundaries under the guise of forestry. Farmers whose lands were swallowed by the expanding roots protested, their livelihoods uprooted by natural diplomacy. News outlets captured drone footage of the gargantuan oak, turning what was once a local curiosity into an international spectacle. In a bid to claim ownership, each nation attempted to outdo the other with symbolic gestures. One built a monument at the base of the tree only for it to be swallowed by the ever-thickening bark. The other erected a scaffold to fly their flag from the highest bough, but the branches grew faster, engulfing the structure. While tension simmered, environmentalists stepped in, arguing the tree's unprecedented growth was a vital study for climate change and biodiversity. Scientists proposed creating a shared research zone, a neutral ground dedicated to understanding this arboreal anomaly. Then came a twist no one anticipated. Deep within the sprawling branches, a nest was discovered, home to a rare bird, thought extinct. The sighting brought both countries to an unexpected truce, each recognizing the tree as part of a larger ecosystem, more significant than borders in politics. In the end, the tree that divided them became a testament to cooperation. A cross-border sanctuary emerged, drawing tourists and researchers from afar. Ironically, the conflict over ownership faded, but the oak continued to grow, steadily reaching for the heavens, its roots entwined with the common ground of two nations.